niya tao yun ako. Kuha ninyo ka.
Ay, may tao? Hello ma'am, how can I help you?
Is your mother and sister here?
My mother is not here, but my sister is over there. Why?
Can I have a bit of your sister? Because we have our new product.
Sure. Come in, ma'am. Sister!
Tayo.
Here's my sister, ma'am.
Everybody go inside.
Okay, see.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Have a seat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Divine Ramada, and this is my assistant, Alicia. And we are sales representative from Boss Beauty Corp. And can I have take of your time, ma'am?
Good afternoon to Ma'am Miss Divine. I'm Giselle, and I don't really use any beauty product, but I am interested to know.
Oh, that's good to hear that, ma'am, because we also offer our soap to maximize your skin color. And our soap offers 50% niacinamides, which can improve your skin textures, brighten your skin color, and to minimize your poor appearances.
Wow, that's good, but I'm not really confident in using any beauty products because I saw some posts online can instead damage your skin.
Oh, I understand, ma'am, that you are hesitant to try this beauty product, and I can get it because it's your first time. And after all, there are so many scammers of beauty product.
I agree, ma'am.
Oh, but let me reassure you, ma'am, that our beauty product is reliable and trusted.
How can you say that this beauty product is reliable?
Because there are a lot of positive comments, ma'am, about the product, and you can check online pages to ensure your doubts.
Okay, I'm convinced. How much that is cost?
For the soap, ma'am, which is our soap is only 75 pesos, and we also offer discount for the first time buyer, ma'am.
75 pesos? Ain't that cost too much for just a soap?
Yes, ma'am, I understand that you think the price of our soap is too much, but if you see our soap, you can really see the difference between the other soap.
Okay, I'll give it a try for now and see if the effect is good as you said.
I'm sure it will be as I said, ma'am, because I'm also using this soap. And may I ask how many soap you buy, ma'am?
I'll buy one soap just for now.
Thank you for trusting, ma'am. May I ask your contact information, please?
Yes, sure. Should I write here?
And again, ma'am, thank you for your purchasing our product. I am Divine Ramada, and this is my assistant, Alicia, from Boss Beauty Corp.
I'll buy one soap just for now. Here's our product, ma'am. Hope you like it. Hello?
Hello, ma'am, sir. This is someone from Boss Beauty Corp. Based on the record, it's been already 7 days that you use our product. Can I have some feedback of it?
The product you sold to me is very good indeed.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.